Hello, my people, my sisters, my brothers, all of you are welcome. We don't come back today again. We want to talk about Desmond Elliot. All of us know him now. In the art film now, actor. He did art before, but now, like say, he still did small sha. But the real work now, he did for House of Assembly. It's our government house. Now there, be like say, they now. Get the kind of statement when you make, when you be say, youth can react. Before we go there, don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe. That subscription, touch the button. So that when another video they come, you go see them immediately. And comment box, anything when they on my put and there, we go see and God bless you. Don't come back. My brothers, my sisters. They say if you see somebody as you don't big, it be like say you not suck in mama breast. Wetin make me talk this thing like this be say as you see everybody like that, you go to say nobody suffer. If you see person they shine, it's as it be. Not think like that though. Because how it reach there, you don't know. No know the kind of thing when you don't pass through. The stress when they pass through before you reach there. That's why as Desmond talk like that, I can't still feel somehow because all of us know these things. Because this youth so, you can't say the youth now children, which means they don't know what they are doing. Now what you be like say you mean. But if you look at those youth, when you be like say they don't know what they do. These people they know what they do. You know why I talk like that? Because they don't fight for themselves. They fight for all of us. They fight for our children. They fight for our betterment. They fight for our future. They fight for tomorrow. This is not the way where Nigeria be. That's what it's supposed to be. Of course, this is what they talk now. We don't know who be our government. We don't know who be our president. We don't know anything. We don't go here when you go come and talk. But other country not be like that. Other country, before anything, you go see and don't come and don't talk. You go tell you like this, like that. Under him before you agree, you don't come and they talk. That's all of them go they talk. Not be to fight, to pull lock food inside warehouse. Other people they hungry. They don't do like that for you. Okay, that's why Lord now. If we watch him very well, that man as an actor, as a Nigerian movie actor, because the man they act famous, as I said before, and how we tell know him? We know him through social media. If not be social media, we know we feel know him. And social media, now still carry and go that house when it did so. So if you watch, I go just stand and say, make them look into social media. Make them control. Why? Look that it very well. Something will be saying a true there. Now you take reach where you did so. So you say make them block them. You know, say get as it be. Say because they abuse people, they cause them, they do this thing when they talk, you don't like them. Now only that one you see saying, but when I can't look him, if not this one when I know where. Because that man, if you watch him, you get woman feelings. That one is true. Sincerely from my heart. I know that one. When you look at him very well. Me, I feel say why I talk that thing, you don't talk him from my heart. Because be like as I did now. I get company. And somebody they close to me and they work for me. You know if you talk bad of me. Because if you talk bad of me, I go push and come out. So now what if me I fix it and I make can talk like that. But watch say this thing when I talk so. And immediately they react. Those people react. Instead of come back again. You can't apologize, say, make them forgive him. And he give reason why he reacted. You know, she say that man, a good man. He say why? Because when he go out, you see women when they cry, when they destroy their things. Even true me, I watch the videos when they destroy shops. Destroy, collect everything I did there. Okay, those people will get those shops, so maybe they borrow that money. We know Nigeria of today. Maybe they don't promise the person, say, I beg, this one I go pay before December. Okay, so don't destroy that shop now. They collect everything I did there. How that person will take pay? You see, That one not true when he talk. You see the thing? And but if we watch well, we know say even many things when they do, not be even those youth when they call saying that they be children, not be them even done. I mean say youth when they protest for good things. Now then we go don't kill people again. Not be people, then people say make they go do something when they do. That light when they switch off or when they cut off. Not be people send people say go do that thing. When they do they come they shoot aside. Not be people send them. Now I mean say that people so now they do and finish. And then they stand and say no life when they lost, so they don't lose any life. Oh, you know what you say? Like they did. So what do they try to talk? So this is our government. We know they talk through. We not get through for month. We not get. Before we get through for month, we for not say that kind of thing. We self, I say put yourself in place of that person. Make you not see the pain. Yeah? Because those people true. Then they talk of good things when go favor us. But why I like waiting Desmond talk, as he say make them forgive him. If now so our government they come and say, okay, this one and they demand for now, okay, see what we go fit do. See the ones one we go do. See the one we not go fit do. If for good. You see am? So when they talk, we don't go see who go come and who go answer us. If they don't go tell us, say, see, they'll just be like, say, they're not they hear. They'll just say, no concern them. This is no good. After I want enter, when I go promise you, when I go do road, when I go give us a light, hospital, now will give us water. One I don't promise heaven and earth, and one I enter there, and I'm not going to do anything. It better my sisters, my brothers, our papa them. If anybody want to enter again, I beg. No talk even at earth when you say no fit do. Just take only one. If only one you do, because we not say one person no fit do that thing. Not be over 90 something. You know go fit do one. Just take only one. You understand? Only one. Just take only one thing. If na road you want face, tell them say okay. If I enter today, I will make sure the road I will do it, and you make sure say you do one. No promise many things at a time. Just take only one. You go see say before you know, you go try do the one you go fit do. Another person will enter again. You go do the remaining one. Like all this one now, we talk of roads na problem for Nigeria. Water na problem for Nigeria. Light na problem for Nigeria. Education, all these things. Hospital, outside the Western world not be so. Those will not be anything again. They try, they upgrade every day. One I try. Not be on a day, they tell on ourselves truth. Even you, Davido, when they accuse Elliot somehow, you're not supposed to accuse him. Because if you remember the day when you self go there, that place when you go that day, you carry camera go, you forget. What did I tell you? Why you, if you say you fix stand, why you not say this camera, okay, not go switch it off? You switch it off now. After you switch it off, nobody accuse you. You can't accuse Desmond Elliot. You know, say no good. Why you accuse her? Because if you self did there, if you do that one now, which maybe you say one that there, you go dance to their tune. Not to say you get as a B before our country, before we go stand on the truth, you go hard though. Now hard person, now you need to enter there. You know, see him. So maybe we not to blame Elliot like that. Maybe we not to blame him. Because if you check where they work before, movie industry, where they before, and this place, if you wait two of them, not say where they and I better pass. So instead go try to keep, you know, where they eat. You will know how to prepare and well. Because if the food finish for there, you go get a CB. So you not go to blame him. Because you, if you enter there, maybe you go still do the same thing. You know, see him. So not to blame him. Because now he make come Nigeria be like this. So when they pray, make somebody when enter there, maybe tell us the truth. This one when they go send people, go destroy somewhere, they go say not be them. Everything they want put on for you to head. So you know good. But me, I did among when forgive you. And I see they help them to, I see they beg. Maybe they beg, say, as you say, make them forgive them. Because that's when a person will get human feelings. So if you watch what he talk, so I beg, that's all my own reach. God bless everybody.